Hi, in this video we will learn text functions. So there are text functions in Excel which will help you to manage your textual data in your cells. So you can see my sheet on the screen. There are some set of names in a column. So some names you can type any names, just type some set of names like this. And if you observe these column names, they are not in a proper order, right? Some are having extra spaces in between the words, print like that, and not properly typed. It is rough data. Okay, now I want to manage this data properly. So first thing is I want to remove the extra spaces that are there in between the words, that I need to remove it and align it properly towards left side of the column. So to removing extra spaces, we are having a function called trim. Trim function, which helps you to remove the extra spaces between the words, leaving one space between two words. One space will be there, but more than one space it will trim off. So the function will goes like this. Simply start with equal to symbol and type trim trim. You can see when you are typing any available function in Excel, it will show you the function name like this and the help of the function. You can see the description. Removes all spaces from a text string except a single space between the words. So by reading this, you can able to understand what is this function about. Open bracket and select the cell that containing the text for which you want to modify. Then close bracket and you can see the extra space that is there here is removed. Okay, and same formula here also I need is equal to trim of. Here we have applied A7, here it will come like A8, right? So I'll apply the same formula, copy down, because it is in relative reference. You can copy the formula, automatically it will apply for all the text. So entire text you can see the extra spaces are removed. If you check the formula A8, A9, A10 like that, it is changing the only the row number. Column is same, so it won't change the column. So next function is proper. Proper function is it will change the case of the letter of the first letter in the word. Okay, so here we are having Deborah Farber. D is capital, F is small, but I need both letters in the both words must be capital letters. So how many words are there? The first letter in the word must be capital. For that I can use proper function is equal to proper of, select the cell containing the word, enter. Now you can see D is capital, F is also changed to capital letter. Now I'll click and drag it. For all letters, it will change to capital and small letters will be changed to capital. If it is already capital, no change. But if it is small, here you can see M is changed to capital M. Okay, and anywhere if small letters are there, here N Natalie Rems, N is small, here capital, yeah, okay, like this. Next function is upper. If you want to change the letters into uppercase, then we will apply upper is equal to upper of upper of. Select any word. Let me select this text C7. So all the letters will be changed to capital letters. And let me copy the formula for all the cells. So all the letters are changed to capital letters. Similarly, lower means it will change all the letters into lower case. Lower means small case, small letters. So select the words which are in capital, it will change it to small case. Every letter will change to small case. This is one formula we'll be applying when you need it. And then length. To find the length of the given word, we can use the function len, L-E-N. It will count the number of characters in your word. It may be including space also. So is equal to len of, now I want to count number of letters in this word. So I will select len of E7. So total number of characters are 14. If you see here, Deborah forward, it will be 13 characters and one space will be there in between. Including that, you will get 14. Okay, you can count and check it. Then apply for all the letters. So it will come like this. Then function called left. Left function is used to display the number of characters from the left side. Suppose in this word I need only Deborah. Means from the left side I need only some 6 letters. Then I will use a function is equal to left of, select the address of the cell E7. So now you will get here, uh, sorry, if you didn't give any number, it will display only one letter from the left side. So I need to give how many characters you want to display. So I need to display Deborah, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I will display 6 characters. Enter. So now you can see Deborah is displayed. So if you want to display some 3 characters only from the left side, give here 3. Only 3 characters will be displayed. Like that, how many characters you want to display? You can display it. Suppose I want to display all 3 characters only. So all 3 letters in the word will be displayed. This is how we will use the left function. And then is right. Right is similar to left. It will display the right side words. Means the words it will count from the right side and display. So I want to display from the right side this word forward. Okay, so it's equal to RIGHT, right side of. So forward is how many characters here? One from right side it will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 characters. So I have to select the text string, comma, number of characters 7. Then it will display from the right side, it will count 7 characters. See here, if I display from the right side 3 characters, it will count from the right side DRA. So RAD, ARD, it will display. Okay, like that it will display the number of characters from the right side. All the words, if you apply the same thing, you will get like that only. And mid is like it will display in the middle how many characters you want to display. In a given text string, from the middle, how many characters you want to display. Suppose in this text string, I want to display FOR, for. So what I have to give is equal to function name mid of, you have to give the text which from which you want to display, comma, next starting number. What is your starting number? From where you want to display? I want to display from the FOR, right? So I want to display from the character F here. So what is the character number, starting number? So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So F is standing at 8th position. So give starting number as 8, comma, number of characters you want to display. Means from 8th position, how many characters you want to display. I want to display 3 characters. So give here 3. Enter. Now you can see for is displayed here. Like that, for all the words, if you want to display the same from the 8th character only, you can display like that also. Or if you don't want, if you have any separate, like in this word, I want another number of characters. Suppose I want to change the formula here. So what I'll do is I'll change here, instead of 3, I want to display 5. So 5 characters it will display. Here instead of 5, here I will display some 7 characters. It will display like that. So how many characters you are giving, that many characters it will display from the middle if you select. Then we are having one more function, text function, that is find. Find and search, two functions are there. So let us see what is find, how to use find function. Find function is nothing but to find the position of the given character. Suppose I want to find the position, like now how we have calculated f position. F is standing in 8th position. Instead of counting like that, we can get the position of f by using the function find. So is equal to find of, find the text. What is the text you want to find? This is f, no. So whenever you are giving text, highlight with the double quotes. So f will be highlighted in double quotes, means I want to find character f here. So enclose in double quotes when you are giving a text string, comma, within the text, in which text you want to search. This is my text, okay, comma, next, starting number, from where you want to search. Starting number from first character only I need to search. So give 1, enter. We can see f position is at 8th. Similarly, if I give here some starting number, any other number, like I will give 5. Also, the position will not change. Means it will count from directly 5th character. Okay, that is the function of find here. And search. Search is also similar to find. Here, CA or CH, search function. Find the text. So what is the text you want to find? F, comma, within the text. What is the text you want to find? In this text, comma, starting number. I will give 1. Same syntax, nothing is changed. Here also it will display 8 only. Then what is the difference between find and search? Means find is a case sensitive, search is not a case sensitive. Let us see. So here I have given in the find function f, right? Let me give here capital F. What happens here? Capital F means it will not display, like value not found. So that is the difference between search and find. But in search function, if I give capital F also, it will find. So this is not a case sensitive, but find function is a case sensitive. You have to give the same character that is there in the text string. If it is not there, if it is not at all matching, even in the case also, it won't display. It will say value not found, not available. That is a find function and search function. Next is search, replace and substitute. What is this replace function? Replace function is, it will replace the characters. So here it will replace and substitute text to columns. I will tell you in the next video lesson. Till then, practice up to here. So this video, we will see the second part of text functions that are there, replace, substitute, text to columns. Okay, so here replace function is used to replace the set of characters or strings in the given text string. So let us assume here forward is there. I want to replace the first 3 characters with another characters. Say suppose I want to replace F O R by B A C K, back. So forward will change to backward, like okay, like that. So let us see how to change it. So I'll go to using the function replace, replace, replace of what is your old text, means to in which text you want to replace it. So I want to replace it here, old text, comma, from which characters you want to replace. You have to give the position here. So my position is from first 3 characters. So I'll give starting number as 1 and number of characters you want to display. So here you can see number of characters. So number of characters are 3. And what is the new text? What is the text you want to display? You want to replace. So enclose in double quotes BACK. I'm enclosing in double quotes BACK. Close, enter. You can see forward has been changed to backward. This is the function here. So you have to replace older text. You can refer the text function, then cell address, then starting number from which you want to replace the characters. Even though if it is somewhere in the middle also, you can give that position. And from that position, how many characters you want to replace? 3 or 2 or 4 or 6 or 7, any number. And then new text. What is the new text you want to replace? So new text you have to enclose in double quotes. When you are representing any text string, you have to enclose in double quotes, or else you have to use a cell reference. Enter. This is replace function. Similar to replace, we are having one more function, that is substitute. So substitute is little more easy than replace. Instead of counting the number of characters, all those, it will directly substitute the words. So I will use the function substitute of text. What is the text you want to substitute? So you have to give here the old text, means the forward only I'll take it. And then what is the old text you want to substitute in this text string? So my old text is F1, no position, nothing, just directly type the characters you want to display and number of characters you want to replace. This is new text back. That's it. And so here also it will be substituted. Forward has been changed to backward. So here we are giving directly the characters. Here we have given the position of the characters. That is the difference between these two. Otherwise both are same. And then we are having one more function in text functions, that is text to columns. This is not a formula, this is a function here. So here you can see text to columns, how to apply. So text to columns is nothing but, say here I have some set of names in one column. All the names are first name, last name are there. Two names are there in this column. Means two words are there. You can use this kind of text to column function. It will use to split the words into different columns. It will use to split the data into different columns. Suppose I want to split this first name and last name, both names in separate columns. Means Aaron Pedon is there. So Aaron here, Pedon here. I need to display. So what I have to do is I'll use a text to column function. For that, first you need to select that is a column, how many words you want to split. Then go to here in the menu bar, you can see data tab. Select this data tab. Then in the data tab, you can see text to columns function. Simply click on the text to column function. Then you can see here text to column wizard will open. So here you can go with, here you can see our column is not divided. This is a preview. It is in single column now. Click on next. Let it be delimited. Okay. Click on next. Then here you can see the delimiter. What is the delimiter used in between the two words? It is a character. What is that character? Is it a space or underscore or comma or colon or semicolon, whatever it is, you have to select it here. So if it is semicolon, check this one. If it is comma, check. If it is space, check this one, like this. When you check here, you can see it is split here. Preview, you can see it will split like this into two columns. Or if any other option is there, you can click on other and type that symbol here. Next. After that, you can see here our columns are split into two. Destination you have to select. Means you want to replace the first this column only to two columns, or you want to display it in another columns, leaving this original data like this. You can choose that one. So let me choose here. I will place this one here only. I don't want to replace. I want to display in separate columns. So I will go for destination. Click this arrow, then select this one. This is my destination. From this it has to display. Finish. Just finish. So now you can see the data will be displayed here like this. This is text to columns. You can split into. So this is about text functions. If you have any doubts related to text vector function, you can drop in the comments. We will revert to you back.